Olive Grove? Olive Grove?
Olive Grove School, Bulacan.
Olive Grove?
Olive Grove School, Bulacan?
Bulacan.
Olive Grove?
Next, Escuela.
Tara.
Next, Escuela de Servio Caloocan Incorporated. EDC. 19, St. Anselm School. 19, St. Anselm School. St. Anselm.
Tara marito?
St. Anselm School. 18, St. Vincent Institute of Arts and Sciences. St. Vincent Institute of Arts and Sciences. 17, Village School of Parkwood. Village School of Parkwood. Village School of Parkwood. 16, St. Gertrude School of Novaliches.
St. Gertrude?
St. Gertrude School of Novaliches.
St. Gertrude? St. Gertrude?
St. Gertrude. 15, Achievers Academy of Quezon City.
Achievers?
Achievers Academy of Quezon City.
Achievers Academy. Achievers Academy.
Achievers Academy of Quezon City. 14, St. John of Beverly.
St. John of Beverly.
St. John of Beverly.
St. John of Beverly.
13, Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela. Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela.
Also Valenzuela.
Olfu, Valenzuela.
Our Lady Fatima.
Olfu, Valenzuela. 12 is La Consolacion College, Novaliches.
Sabi niya ma'am.
La Consolacion College, Novaliches.
Ayan ma'am.
11, St. Patrick's School of Novaliches.
St. Patrick's School na
St.
Baliches.
Patrick's School of Novaliches.
Ayan sir.
Then is Immaculada Concepcion College. Immaculada Concepcion College. 9 is Young Generation Academy.
Young Generation.
Young Generation Academy.
Yes. Akin pagkakasama.
Young Generation. 8, Divine Grace Center of Studies. Divine Grace Center of Studies.
Divine Grace. Okay. Kayo.
7, Metro Manila College.
Metro Manila College.
Manila College.